Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by collecting essentials. Sign into Google Workspace as an admin and open your Hostinger control panel. Once done, locate the domain you want to connect and keep the Google Workspace setup page open to copy MX, TXT, and CNAME records. Make sure you have Hostinger DNS access and are ready to edit DNS records. This first move ensures you won't pause mid-process. Don't skip verification strings. You will paste them into Hostinger in the next step to prove domain ownership. Now you switch to Hostinger's DNS zone editor and start entering records. First, create the TXT record from Google Workspace to verify ownership. Verify in Google once propagation begins. Next, add all MX records Google specifies in priority order to route email correctly. Ensure no other MX records remain. Then add CNAME records for services like calendar and mail if recommended. Propagation can be quick or take hours. Keep Google's setup page open and click Verify when DNS propagates. Finish by returning to Google Workspace and clicking Verify once you expect propagation. This activates services. After verification, set up user accounts and test email flow by sending and receiving messages from external accounts. Make sure SBF, DKIM, and DMARC are configured for deliverability. Add DKIM in Google and publish the TXT key in Hostinger. If mail fails, review TTL values, remove duplicate MX entries, and check DNS propagation with a lookup tool. Restart verification after fixes to...
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.